Starting around 20 August 2023. Sort of smooth love mixture generally is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.52% in every way that really matters. Most recent 1 hour in a very huge manner. SLP fundamentally has an essentially complete market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, which for the most part is very huge. This essentially makes especially smooth love elixir, SLP, fundamentally positioning at 315 in the digital currency market in a for the most part significant manner. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what essentially is the kind of smooth love elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will extremely smooth love mixture for the most part be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in a truly significant way? Is somewhat smooth love elixir a sort of wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they especially thought. Will SLP cost basically outperform its untouched high? These fundamentally are our kind of smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, which explicitly is very huge. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the very smooth love elixir estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The SLP cost generally is supposed to generally cross a truly normal value level of $0.002. The normal truly least value worth of pretty smooth love mixture toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to in a real sense be $0.002 in an especially significant manner. Besides, SLP can essentially arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $0.002, or so they generally thought. SLP value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of pretty smooth love elixir by and large is estimated to especially be at around an extremely least worth of $0.002 in every way that really matters. Further appearance how additionally SLP can generally arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $0.002, or so they thought. The smooth love mixture value worth can sort of arrive at a very limit of $0.002, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, which is genuinely huge. SLP value gauge September 2023. With respect to September 2023, in every practical sense, smooth love elixir truly is supposed to arrive at least value worth of $0.002. Especially further appearance how extremely smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023, as per the truly smooth love mixture figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the SLP cost generally is supposed to explicitly cross a for the most part normal value level of $0.002, the normal pretty least value worth of by and large smooth love elixir, toward the finish of the kind of current year. Ought to sort of be $0.002, which sort of is genuinely huge. The SLP cost could truly arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.002, with the in every practical sense, normal cost around $0.002, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for fundamentally smooth love elixir in October 2023. Can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. While the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.002, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value estimate November 2023. For November 2023. The cost of especially smooth love elixir basically is truly anticipated to by and large arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between and in every practical sense, limit of $0.002 and a very least of $0.002, which fundamentally is very critical. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for especially smooth love elixir in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.002 in an in every practical sense, significant way, Smooth Love Elixir pretty passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been, all things considered, diminished by 1.57% in its certainly current worth, which generally is very critical. On the off chance that we in a real sense look at the kind of current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap by and large is likewise down in an especially enormous manner. Smooth Love Mixture by and large is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, which generally is genuinely critical. The SLP by and large is down to nearly 5.41% in the truly most recent 7 days, which generally is genuinely critical. The coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for essentially past genuinely couple of days. The coin could have in every practical sense solid basics at the same time. We don't actually imagine that it would a beneficial resource in momentary in an in every way that really matters, large way. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP generally diminished by 48.160%, taking out an incredible certainly normal amount of $0.001 from its especially current worth, or so they essentially thought. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a fundamentally great in every way that really matters purchase an open door for extremely fast interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change most certainly is near 47.33%. And the cost really circled from a base pretty typical cost of $0.003 to genuinely greatest pretty normal cost of $0.003 in the especially beyond 90 days, showing how SLP by and large has a complete market cap of $64,664,915. With the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520 in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth Love Elixir is somewhere near 24.79% with the very greatest by and large normal cost of the coin, especially was around $0.002, and the genuinely least in every way that really matters, normal cost of for the most part was around $0.002 in essentially beyond 4 months, which fundamentally is very huge. Smooth Love Elixir Value Estimate 2023 Facts. What will especially be Smooth Love Mixture truly worth in 2023? Which in every practical sense is very huge. The SLP cost basically is gauged to really arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.002, with certainly least cost of $0.002 toward the finish of 2023. Which most certainly shows that the SLP essentially is down to nearly 5.41% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days in an exceptionally enormous manner. Does truly Smooth Love Elixir truly have a future? Which for the most part